Hello everyone. The topic is heterocyclic compounds. Heterocycles contain one or more heteroatoms in a ring. Here is a carbocycle and a heterocycle where the atoms are X, Y, Z, which are usually oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur. These are usually aromatic or partially or fully saturated, but we will focus on aromatic systems. Heterocycles are important and a large proportion of natural products contain them. Many pharmaceuticals and agrochemicals contain at least one heterocyclic unit. Heterocyclic systems are important building blocks for new materials possessing interesting electronic, mechanical or biological properties. The classification has been done depending on number of members. The first is aromatic 5-membered rings. Isoelectronic carbocycle, which is on the left, and heterocycles, which are on the right. The examples of heterocycles are pyrrole, which contains nitrogen, furan, which contains oxygen in a 5-membered ring, thiophene, which contains sulfur in the 5-membered ring. They are all aromatic compounds. There may be further substitution of heteroatom. The example is imidazole with nitrogen at position 1 and 3, oxazole with oxygen at position 1, nitrogen at position 3, thiazole, sulfur on position 1, nitrogen at 3, pyrazole, position number 1 and 2 being occupied by nitrogen, isooxazole, oxygen at number 1, nitrogen at number 2, isothiazole, sulfur at position 1 and nitrogen at position 2 in a 5-membered ring. Then there are fuse systems. The fuse system with 5-membered ring with a 6-membered ring. The example is indole with nitrogen at position 1 in a 5-membered ring. Aromatic 6-membered compounds. Isoelectronic carbocycles and heterocycles again. Isoelectronic carbocycle is benzene and the fuse system is naphthalene, whereas the heterocyclic compounds with an heteroatom nitrogen, the first member is pyridine, nitrogen at position 1, and pyrrolium. This is a salt. Pyridiazine, a 6-membered compound with nitrogen at position 1 and 2, pyrimidine with nitrogen at position 1 and 3, and pyrazine with nitrogen at position 1 and 4 in a 6-membered compound. Quinoline is a fused system, 6-membered. Both rings are 6-membered with nitrogen at position 1. And other is isoquinoline with nitrogen at position 2. These are fused systems, aromatic 6-membered heterocyclic compounds. The general strategies for heterocycle synthesis. Since these are cyclic compounds, so we need to have a ring construction or a cyclization which may occur with the 5 and 6 membered rings are the easiest to form. And the second one is CX bond formation, which requires a heteroatom nucleophile to react with a carbon atom. So in the first example we see an alkene, both are 6 membered rings, and on the right hand side it is a conjugate addition which is taking place with a heteroatom which will bond with carbon. So CX bond formation will take place. A manipulation of oxidation states. Unsaturation is often introduced by elimination. Example, dehydration or dehydrohalogenation. So this is a saturated ring, hexahydro, which on dehydrogenation forms tetrahydro compound. Further dehydrogenation gives a dihydro compound, and to finally form an aromatic fully unsaturated compound, one step of dehydrogenation takes place. So this is the variation in oxidation states leading to an unsaturation, a complete unsaturation and an aromatic compound. The pyridine's structure. Pyridine is isoelectronic with and analogous to benzene. That is, it is a 6-membered ring but with a heteroatom nitrogen. It is stable, not easily oxidized at carbon, undergoes substitution rather than addition. We see the ring is highly unsaturated, so there is a possibility of addition reaction, but the ring undergoes substitution, which is the property of an aromatic compound. Minus I effect, that is inductive electron withdrawal effect, and minus M effect, which is due to the lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen. Here we see the resonating structure in pyridine, which involves the 6 pi electrons of benzene ring. It is a weak base with pKa of approximately 5.2 in water. That is, lone pair is not in aromatic sextet. This is an important feature to be noticed, that the 6 pi electrons or the aromatic sextet is due to the atoms which are present in the ring, and the lone pair does not involve in the aromatic sextet. It is a polar compound due to exhibiting minus I effect, and there is a variation in bond lengths of pyridine. The nitrogen carbon bond length is different from that of carbon carbon sigma bond and carbon carbon double bond. Pyridinium salts are also aromatic. The ring carbons are more electron deficient than in parent pyridine, which is due to resonance which is taking place in pyridine. The electrophilic reactions in pyridines, as we discussed earlier, No addition reactions take place, but electrophilic reactions which are of the nature aromatic substitution. Now there are possible pathways for electrophilic aromatic substitution of pyridines. We see there are three positions which are available for an electrophile to attack: alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha is ortho to nitrogen, beta is meta to nitrogen and gamma is para to nitrogen. So on substitution, a single isomer is formed in pyridine. Here we see that when there is an attack of an electrophile, the electrophile attacks on nitrogen and forms a salt. Now further, the ring is available for the substitution, and there is a substitution in the ring with hydrogen as a leaving group and electrophile a substituent, and therefore forms electrophilic aromatic substitution. The position of the equilibrium between pyridine and pyridinium salt, it depends on the substitution pattern and the nature of substituents, but usually favors the salt. So there is a salt formation in the first step, which is later on attacked by an electrophile. This resonates, there is a resonating structure, and finally the electrophile from nitrogen leaves and forms an electrophilic substitution which takes place in the ring. Now if the electrophilic substitution is at beta position, we see that the ring becomes electron deficient at ortho and para positions. If the electrophile attacks at alpha position, we see that the ring becomes electron deficient at meta position, and the nitrogen in the pyridine ring itself becomes electron deficient or is a positive charge. If we see the gamma attack of electrophile on gamma position, we see again nitrogen in the pyridine ring becomes electron deficient and the meta position of the ring becomes electron deficient. So resonance forms with a positive charge on nitrogen, that is 6 electrons, are very unfavorable, hence they are shaded. The beta substituted intermediate and the transition state leading to this product have more resonance forms than the intermediates or the transition states leading to the products. So here are the electrophilic reactions which may take place in pyridine: N substitution and C substitution. If we look at the N substitution, it may get methylated, nitrated or brominated. So we see the reaction where N substitution is taking place with methyl, N-methyl substitution, sulfonation, then N-acylation and N-nitration. So C substitution, the reaction at C is usually difficult and slow, requiring forcing conditions. And Friedel-Crafts reactions are not usually possible on free pyridines. Thank you.